Well, apparently the Icom R6 can do it. It's not perfect, but it works. Let me show you. You can faintly hear some CW in AM mode on the Icom R6. I've never tried that on my HF rigs. Plus the filtering in this thing isn't all that good, but I'm definitely recognizing Morse code in there. It's kind of cool that you can do that. A little faster than I can copy here at 3 o'clock in the morning. I'm too damn tired. Okay, later, guys. I'm going to go back to bed.
Well, it's about 17 hours to go back to the truck and back. But right now, it's imperative to actually get this plate and get it cast and get that in definition while it's still in the ground. Hopefully, the rain will hold off long enough for me to get all the way there and back. I covered it and protected it the best I could. The best I can do right now is cover it and hope that nothing touches it and get back to the truck. That should be good. One of the biggest reasons for trying to find this track is that we're going to test for price and oil. And these two
stations right there on top of each other.
If they can do it, it's the same thing. Maybe it's all the same feature. If it's not,
You'll push a squash in order to hear them.
So right now, time is everything. It's not raining for now, but that's the way I hold on to it. I gotta get it.